Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, go back to my channel. Now we will start to learn together about passive voice. Are you ready to learn today with me? Let's start our class with basmalah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Then go to the definition of the passive voice. The passive voice is used to show interest the person or object that experience action rather than the person or object performs the action. In other words, that important thing or persons become subject or the sentence. After that, forming the passive voice, or how to forming the passive voice. The passive voice in English is comprised of the two elements appropriate form of the verb to be and the past participle. And if you ask to me, when we use the passive voice, when we want to focus on the action and not who, what did I. Example, like I have been offered a job. Secondly, when we don't know who or what did the action, or when it's very obvious, like the example, like my car was stolen, like that. And then after that you enter how to the forming to be in all of the sentence. Like firstly, in the simple present tense, there are with the object, and to be we use am, is, or are. After that, verb T with by, and object or pronoun. And then the example, like the house is cleaned every day by Ira. The house is the object, and am is are is a to be, and we use the is because the house is it. After that, cleaned because it's the verb T, then by Ira. Ira is the object or pronoun. After that, enter to present continuous tense. The object and to be, like before, am, is, are. But the different page is there are being. After that, verb T and by, and then the object or pronoun. Like the example, the house is being cleaned by Ira. The house is the object, and is the to be, and being cleaned like verb T, by the Ira is the object. After that, to present perfect tense, we use the object have or has, and to be what been. After that, verb T by the object or pronoun. After that, the object have or has, and been verb T by object or pronoun. The have or has is the verb, and then when we use have or the has, we use the has if the object is I, you, we, or they. And then we use the has if the object is she, he, it. The example, like the house has. Why we use the has? Because before that is the object. Object is has. The object have or has uh, been, verb T, by, and object or pronoun. After that, we go to the simple past tense. The object was or were, and then verb T and by, and object or pronoun. Like the example, the house was cleaned by Ira. Like the after the object is was or were, is was or were is a to be, like is are. But when we use the was or were, we use the was when is the object is the individual, this I, he, she, or it. But if the were is to the what, like a jama, like the together, like the many person, like the you, like usually you not just confirm to one person, usually like a two or three or you all, like everybody, or we together, and then they, and then verb T by object or pronoun. And then the house is was because the house is it, just one object. After that, past continuous tense. The object was or were, like before, being, and verb T by, and the object or pronoun. Like the example, the house was being cleaned by Ira. After that, past perfect tense. The object and the head, been, verb T by, and the object or pronoun. The object is the house had been cleaned to verb T by object or pronoun, like the example. Past perfect tense. After that, go to the simple future tense. We use the object like usually, like the other rules too. After that, will or shall. After that, be and verb T by, and the object or pronoun. An example, like the house will be cleaned by Ira. And then go to the rules, like the object. After that, will or shall. When we use a will and when we use the shall, you'll usually people use on the simple future tense is make to will, because like more flexible. But sometimes there are like people use the shall to the we context, like that. But in this context, like the house is with is enter to the it, the to be it, and then we use the will. The house will be verb T cleaned by, the object is Ira. After that, future continuous tense. We use object, will or shall, be, being, verb T, by, and object or pronoun. Like the example, the house will being cleaned by Ira. And before the last, I want to tell you about how to change the active to the passive voice. They invite 100 people to the wedding. The first what sense is 100 people. We change the object to in front of, And then we start with the object. 100 people were invited to the wedding. In the active, the object in the what middle, but in the passive, the object in front of. Okay, I think enough. Thank you for watching. Inshallah we will learn together about the other title. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.